Thank you very much for joining us today.
Pleasure.
Steve, tell me a little bit more about the company and what you're doing at the moment.
Azumah's got a project in Ghana, in the northwest of Ghana. It's got the whole of the region up there under its tenure. It's basically been there for 10 years. In that 10 years, it's delineated over 2 million ounces of resources, converted about 1,000 of that into reserves, and it's now at a stage where it's looking to increase those reserves to a critical mass of about 1 million ounces and bring the project through to a position where it can be fully funded through to development.
Now, you had a transformational, I'll start that again, deal, transformational announcement, transformational, how would you?
That's right, Azumah's just entered into transformative. Yeah.
Okay, so you've had a transformative announcement that came out very recently. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, that's right. We have partnered with a private equity group called Iberia, and Iberia have been looking for an investment looked at 100 different opportunities, and they think Azumah is a fantastic opportunity. It's their first investment. They're funded out of the US, and they see a lot of opportunity to add value. So they're going to be funding the project through direct investment in our Ghana subsidiary of $17 million over the next 2 years, and they're going to fund all of the exploration, the conversion of resources to reserves, and the update of the study to that bankable decision. So essentially, Azumah is now free carried, and we maintain majority interest in the project while that's happening, and they don't really get any equity until they're fully funded all the way through. So it's a fantastic project, a fantastic opportunity and transaction for us, and it's good for them because they're getting in at a stage where Azumah hasn't really been re-rated by the market yet.
So with regards to your message to shareholders, potential investors here at 1-to-1, what's that?
Well, today is the first day of the future for Azumah. This deal has only just been inked. The market doesn't really know that much about it. The company's been probably flatlining for a while, and this is really a turning point for us, and that's why we call it a transformative transaction. We think the company's now due an immediate re-rating. There's going to be a lot of value that's already there in the company and the project unlocked in the short term, and there's going to be a lot of value added over the next 2 years. So
Superb.
It's a really critical and a fantastic opportunity for people to look at putting Azumah into their portfolios.
Superb. Well, Stephen, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.